Yeah.
Review and demo the Morphe Filter Effect Foundation. And the color that I have is Rich 25. So if you want to see how I apply this foundation and what my thoughts of this foundation, then continue to watch. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. First off, we're going to start off by priming our face. We're going to review and demo the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation and Concealer. It comes in a glass bottle with a pump top, which is a plus. I'm going to start off by color correcting my face. And then we're going to get straight into using the concealer. The concealer I have is the Rich 26. And it is very hydrating. I do find that it dries down a little bit faster. The Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation and Concealer claims to be hydrating, it blurs pores, and claims to be long-wearing, transfer and water-resistant, waterproof. It comes in 40 shades and retails for $20. I like the coverage of the foundation. It gives me a great coverage, and the filter look is dead on. I did use the brush the first time. I like the way the brush applies it, but I do better with a beauty blender. It gives me a more natural finish. If you have tried this foundation, leave me a comment in the comment box below and let me know what you think of it, or what was your thoughts of it when you applied this foundation. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel when I upload a new video.